that runoff is May 26th. Am leading in the runoff with the highest number of votes, and I intend to continue fighting hard to be your next Travis County attorney. It is an honor to stand here today with four of the most distinguished reformers in the history of Travis County politics. With me today are Nelson Linder, president of the Austin branch of the NAACP. He has fought hard for a fairer and more inclusive, thank you very much for that, sir, criminal justice system. His work on use of force by the police has received national attention, and here he is with us in Travis County. He plays an integral role in improving police relations. Now keep in mind the Travis County Attorney's Office is about half civil and about half criminal. So Travis County, we are your misdemeanor prosecutors. We don't do felonies, that's the DA. We're the CA, and we do misdemeanors, and also represent the 55 plus elected county officials in civil matters. Also with me today is Commissioner Margaret Gomez. It is such an honor to have you with us today. Margaret Gomez was the first Latina commissioner in the history of Travis County, and she was also the first Latina constable. Is that correct? Hardly a policy has gone through at Travis County that hasn't seen her kind attention to it. She has helped employees of Travis County. She's helped the people of Travis County. She has been a voice for change and reform really as long as I've lived here, and it's an incredible honor to have you. Also with us today is none other than our own Senator, Gonzalo Barrientos. Years ago, when I was the director of the Lesbian and Gay Rights Lobby of Texas, Senator Barrientos was the person that we could turn to when there was someone who wasn't getting their AIDS medication, when there's someone who was forgotten by the rest of the state or by the rest of Travis County. Senator Barrientos was there for them. He will humbly call that casework, but at the time, I'll tell you, we had another word for it, and that word was hero. He was a hero to the gay community and to so many here in Travis County. Also with me, certainly last but not least, Judge Mike Denton. You all, he was the third place finisher in the Travis County attorney's race, but that does not represent his illustrious history here in Travis County. For many, many years now, he's been over the Family Violence Court. He has been there and stood for victims when no one else would. He has made our Travis County Family Violence Program into one that is envied by the rest of the country. People actually come to Travis County to see what we have done to protect victims of family violence. And the statistics bear that out, the changes that we have seen. So it's with I owe these people a debt of gratitude, and it's with that I ask each of them to say a few words today. I thank them all for being here, and I'm incredibly proud to stand with these reformers. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mike Denton, and I'm here today because I do endorse Laurie for the position of County Attorney for Travis County. You know, I have said over and over again that what I thought the major issue of this race is criminal justice reform. We're so lucky that Commissioner Gomez, Senator Barrientos, and Nelson Linder have all made major changes in the criminal justice system in our county, and Laurie is the one to go forward with those changes and taking them to the next level. But remember, we're also electing not only a lawyer for the county, but a managing partner for an extremely large law firm. There is only one person in this race that has that experience, both in legal experience and management skills. Laurie, of course, has a long list of legal accomplishments and certifications in law that shows she's experienced to do this. She's been in court. She's tried cases, both civil and criminal, and she can go forward as a lawyer and train the young lawyers that look to her for leadership. She's also a managing partner. County attorney, the office is over 200 people. She's the only one that has experience in leading, and strangely enough, in the county attorney's office. And so it will be easy for her to take that next step and to lead the office in its next step forward. The truth of the matter is, I'm here today because Laurie is the only one in the race now who has the experience, but much more importantly than the experience, she has the vision to take the county attorney as well as the county to the next level. And so that's why I'm asking all my friends and all my supporters to join with me in endorsing and supporting Laurie's candidacy for the county attorney. Thank you all.
Very briefly, we'll take care of the rain later. My name is Gonzalo Barrientos. Immediately after this election, Laurie Eiserloh called me and asked me if I would endorse her. I said yes. Very briefly, without any filibustering, this is why. In spending 30 years in elected office, I saw a couple of three things that are so essential to serve the people of our city, our county, our state, our country. And that is experience. Where have you been? What is your record? Compassion, leadership, and being there all of the time. When you get into these kind of offices, we don't have time for on-the-job training. I'm with her. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks so much for inviting me to be here today. It's my pleasure to say right off the top that I am endorsing Laurie Eiserloh today for county attorney. Let me give you just a few reasons why. Other than she's the most qualified candidate with over 27 years of legal experience. She currently leads the employment team in the Civil Litigation Division of the Travis County Attorney's Office, and she was a key lawyer in the Travis County lawsuit that sued Governor Abbott over SB 4. And it's an unfair and it was an inhuman immigration policy. She has a plan to sue corporate polluters and fight climate change. Laurie already has a detailed 13-point criminal justice reform plan to help end discrimination and improve fairness in the justice system, which I believe in. That starts at intake and carries out throughout the entire system. Laurie's vision is comprehensive and she understands how to get things done. That comes from being in the county attorney's office and practicing law for 27 years and actually getting prepared for the office of Travis County Attorney. She has received overwhelming community support, including from AFSCME and from progressive and Democratic endorsements. Some have described the county attorney as a political position, but in fact, under the Texas Constitution, the county attorney is a legal position, not political. As a member of the Travis County Commissioner's Court, that manages a $1.2 billion budget, we rely on the county attorney 24/7 to provide us with precise, professional, and ethical legal counsel, not political advice. The county attorney is the chief legal counsel for the Commissioner's Court and for over 50 elected and appointed county officials, while managing 230 staff and a $24 million budget. The county attorney must have a deep knowledge of the law and legal strategies because they advise us on employment and labor law, they negotiate multi-million-dollar contracts and litigate disputes. They handle delinquent taxes for over 100 taxing entities in the Travis County area. They enforce environmental regulations, open government, transparency, and ethical disclosure laws. And she serves as the general counsel for Central Health, represents Travis County in all litigation, and is responsible for over 25,000 misdemeanor cases each year. We are blessed in Travis County, where people want us to keep pushing forward and expanding our progressive ideals. And we need deep legal expertise and vision if we are going to succeed. Retiring County Attorney David Escamilla has done a fantastic job and had 20 years of relevant legal and litigation expertise when he was first elected, and has made great progress in the office. So in this runoff, the only candidate that I know has the expertise and the preparation and the experience and all of the skills that it takes to represent Travis County and all entities in Travis County, it's Laurie Eiserloh. And that's who I'm endorsing today.
Thank you. I appreciate that very much. I'm going to move this in a little bit. Sorry.
Thank you, Laurie.
Thank you.
Let me first say good afternoon. I'm honored to be here. I thought about this press conference about Laurie, and I referred to the Fifth Amendment of the Constitution. It's very clear. No one may be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Pretty clear, right? Yet people are. So clearly, there has to be a balance of power, the law of the land, and the rights of individuals. When I look at Laurie's platform, she's answered those questions. For example, we all need competent legal representation. It's critical. Yet we don't have it, and as a result, we have disparities all over our criminal justice system. We don't need excessive fines for folks who are poor and black and brown. Yet we have those things. So why do they exist? We've been told the Constitution says no. Balance of power. So all these imbalances exist in our society because the law is not being enforced. I believe that Laurie's platform, her commitment, her passion says very clearly she will make sure the Constitution is fair as it should be to everybody. I'm excited about her work. I'm excited to be here because in reality, we can't have a fair society without folks who are willing to take the criticism, embrace the challenges, and enforce the law. That's why I'm supporting Laurie for county attorney. She's earned that right through her work, her vision, but also her commitment. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I might come back up here. You all,
Didn't I say enough?
No, I want to say a few more things. You all, thank you to everyone who's spoken today. I'm so honored. I'm so honored to be endorsed by Judge Denton. He and his supporters, some of whom are here today, Nelson Linder, Senator Barrientos, Margaret Gomez, they have run an excellent campaign, and Mike and his supporters have done so much for Travis County. I hope,
And I know you will too.
thank you for that. I hope that I can follow in his footsteps, and that is what I aim to do, and that's what I will do. So Mike, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. That's it. Thanks, y'all.
Yes, sir.
We did it. I don't know who bought this tarp, but thank goodness they did.
No kidding. I was standing over there in the garage watching them put it up.